Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you the benefits of filing for an LLC and how you can start one with a couple of easy steps thanks to Tailor Brands. I'll be explaining what LLCs are, how filing for one can help your business, how Tailor Brands can help streamline the process, as well as a brief review of Tailor Brand services. So if you want to know more about LLCs and how you can start one yourself, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out Tailor Brands, you'll find all these full links, discounts, the description down below to help save you a bit of extra money. Now, if you're just starting a business, you're going to have to make a lot of important decisions, and one of them is choosing the right business structure for you. This choice is extremely important as it affects factors such as your personal liability and tax obligations. And among the variety of options available, one structure that many entrepreneurs opt for is the Limited Liability Company, commonly known as an LLC. So what exactly is an LLC? Well, a limited liability company, or LLC for short, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, separating your personal assets from your company's liabilities, which means that if your LLC faces legal issues or debt, your personal assets are generally shielded from being used to satisfy those obligations. Also, LLCs offer flexibility in management, taxation options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners known as members who can share in the company's profits and losses. This versatility and the liability protection it provides makes the LLC an attractive choice for many entrepreneurs starting a new venture. Now, finding the necessary paperwork and forms to establish an LLC can be quite confusing and time-consuming. If you're short on time or lack the expertise to handle the paperwork, there's a simpler alternative: hiring a company formation service to take care of everything for you. And one such service worth considering is Tailor Brands, which is one of the best business formation services out there. If you haven't heard of them yet, Tailor Brands is an all-in-one online platform that has successfully assisted over 500,000 businesses in forming their LLCs. The best part is that their team of experts will guide you through the process in just a few steps, taking only a couple of minutes. But before we get into the process, let me tell you a little bit more about Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is a cutting-edge, AI-driven solution designed specifically for businesses looking to establish themselves as LLCs. However, Tailor Brands offers much more than just LLC formation. It serves as a one-stop shop, providing a wide range of essential tools to kickstart your business within minutes. From logo creation and website building to domain registration, business mailboxes, digital business cards, registered agent services, operating agreements, and even annual report filing. Tailor Brands covers almost every aspect needed to launch your business efficiently, all conveniently available in just one place. Now, you might be wondering about the types of businesses Tailor Brands caters to. The answer is simple. Tailor Brands supports all kinds of businesses. Whether you're involved in physical goods, services, hospitality, original content creation, or any other industry, Tailor Brands can assist you in swiftly establishing your LLC. Now, let me show you the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. You can complete the application in just 3 straightforward steps, which will take you around 5 minutes to do. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you'll find a Choose Your State field. Simply click the drop-down menu and select your state. After that, click on Get Started. Moving on to the next step, you'll need to respond to some simple questions. You'll come across a series of questions that help the platform understand your business. These questions cover aspects such as your business name, the products or services that you offer, whether you'll have employees, and the current stage of your business. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide your personal information, including your name and email address. Rest assured, this information is solely used for forming your LLC and won't be shared with anyone else. Finally, the last step is to submit your LLC application and proceed to the payment options. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Tailor Brands will take care of submitting your LLC application on your behalf, and that's it. The entire process is quick and easy, taking less than 5 minutes of your time. And with Tailor Brands handling all the hard work, you can have peace of mind while forming your LLC. Now, there are a lot of reasons why Tailor Brands stands out from their competition. First of all, their team consists of experienced professionals who have helped launch over 500,000 businesses. With their vast expertise, they know the ins and outs of assisting their clients in setting up and launching their businesses successfully. Another standout feature is Tailor Brands' premium support. You have access to priority customer support whenever you need it. Their 24/7 support team is readily available via chat and email, ensuring swift responses and guidance through every step of the process. But the key advantage of Tailor Brands is their swift LLC formation service. You can form an LLC like a pro, like I said, in just 5 minutes. The process is easy and hassle-free, allowing you to save time and effort. It's worth noting that Tailor Brands facilitates LLC formation for non-US residents as well, making it suitable for anyone worldwide. So to sum it up, Tailor Brands is an excellent solution for forming an LLC for your business. It offers a fast and user-friendly experience. Also, the availability of complimentary services like logo design, website building, and domain registration, and business cards further enhances its value. The prices for their services are reasonable, making it worthwhile if you're investing in it in terms of the time and hassle that you're going to save. That's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Tailor Brands, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you guys have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.